nila kasi nagugutom na ako. And it's currently 3:53 pero alam ko this is like advanced or late. Let's eat. Hi! Kain tayo! Cafe mocha pala nabili ko. Kala ko chocolate. Ano ba yan? Tada! Uy, ayaw mag-focus. Perfect. Stir, stir, stir. That's why I love Monday kasi onti lang yung tao and hindi maingay. So, let's eat breakfast. So, 5 pandesal yung binili ko. It's good, pero hindi na mainit yung pandesal. Pero masarap. So good. Akala ko talaga chocolate na bili ko. Sabi ko, hindi naman ako magkakape. Pero yung kape yung lumapit sa akin. She said, girl, who are you joking? You need coffee. You can't live without coffee. May cheese, but I'll try to dip it in the coffee. That's weird, right? Not bad. Not bad. That's good. Should I start a mukbang channel? Or like a mukbang playlist? Let me know. I'm alive. It's actually good. I love it. I'll be ordering this. Ito yung bago ng 7-Eleven. So let's eat. To taste. Oh wow. Oh. Have coffee. Tan. Gets ko na. Itong green na to, parang may halong butter. And this is 89 pesos. Nagkakalit ako.
Okay lang. Ganun na.
Binibidyohan to.
Parang,
Thoroughly clean and hygienic appliance.
Choosing wisely.
The easy clean bacteria.
Careful.
Maybe prepare pre-program auto cooking, the full drip also. Healthy touch.
Check every corner.
Check na lang po ng physical update.
Yan. Well, depende. Okay din naman yung KTSM. Kaya parang ganun.
New toy.
Grabe ka naman sa toy.
New toy.
Naglalaroan ba natin to?
Hindi, mamaya.
Pagdating sa bahay. Grabe naman yung pang 2020.
Setting up the microwave, but we're cleaning the counter first. Where will we put the microwave?
Narration in English.
Saan namin nilalagay? Go, Habsy, kaya mo yan.
Water hashira. Oo, yun yung tama-tama combo ko eh.
Galing naman po maglinis nito. Grabe. Siya po nagdalanaan. Bunga na.
Ito pa yung bunga ng scatter.
Bunga ng scatter. Wow! May paglalaroan na. LG, baka naman. Sarap. Kala mo, malaking vlogger or content creator. Baka lang naman. Charot, not sponsored. We're gonna test the microwave.
Spread in all areas.
Ooh.
Ito na ng 1 minute. Yun yung monitor mo nga. Oh.
Yeah, nakikita siya. Hindi siya yung color orange, no?
Yeah.
Mas maganda yung ganyan pala na kulay. Kitang-kita mo sa loob.
Ito ata exhaust niya eh.
Okay. That's the exhaust. I can smell the bread.
Ito 700 watts eh.
Okay.
Kaya bawas ng 10 cents.
Okay. Tapos biglang lumamig, no? Ay, oo nga. Nag-melt. Nag-melt na yung chocolate, oh. Ay, oo nga pala. Hindi mo na isasarado. So, yun yung bilin sa amin.
Oo, kami yung tinapay habi.
Na isasara.
Ang palaman.
Oh, so hot.
Microwave! You're the greatest creation of... Tignan natin kung sumarap. Aray! Sarap mo. Init niya. Pero mo, ito naman tinapay. Naging ano siya, oh. Pero mo, parang naging gogoy.
Eh, kasi uminit, eh.
Hindi, kasi ano eh, dapat 30 seconds lang to eh. Eh, kupal ako eh. Tinaasan ko yung seconds eh.
Ayun.
Ginawa ko 50.
Kasi mainit lang.